Hello my crafty friends, this is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. So glad you're here. Today I am here to do a flip through of this little golden book encyclopedia journal. So this one is spoken for, and so I wanted to go ahead and do a flip through before I put it in my shop and reserve it for this person. But yeah, this one is book 6. E-R through G-E-Y is the alphabet that it covers. It comes with a generous goodie pack. Since this is, I am doing these as, you could use them as a junk journal or glue book, whatever you want. So it's a blank journal inside. And so let's go ahead and do a flip through. This one has, this is what it looks like on the front, and these particular books has the same front and back cover. So here's the trim I used on this one with some of this fabric, which I believe is vintage. I got it at a thrift store, and then here's the back. And then inside, let's go ahead and start flipping through the pages. So there's 2 signatures. And they all have some type of pretty paper here, like this, a solid color or pretty color. So you can see the colors on this one. And here's that same fabric inside. Here's the 2 signatures. They're a good size. The measurements are in. I have one of these, not this exact edition, but another golden book encyclopedia made into a journal in my shop, which I did a previous video for, but these are 7 1/4 inches wide by just under, really, 10.5 inches tall. So each signature is covered with wallpaper. So, and like I said, I left it wide open for somebody to transform into whatever they want it to be, as far as a junk journal, scrapbook, planner even, glue book, just whatever they want. So here's the first wallpaper here. I left all the pockets open so they could decide if they want to glue those together, or maybe like turn down the corner or do a little something special there. So if there's any pockets, they are not glued down. They're on the side. So this is a calendar, like a menu planner paper right here, this page. You'll see it on the other side, I believe it says Campbell's. This is a page from this type of book, Golden Book Encyclopedia. This is another type of paper I got from a thrift store. It's just some random papers, atlas papers. This is some of my pink dyed paper, computer paper with the tracks, and then another page from this book. And this is some like bond paper, really nice feeling, thick paper, nice to write on, glue on to whatever you want. Atlas paper here, you can see the map. It folds out, and this is the center of the first signature. The strings are wide open for you to do whatever you want. You can tie a bow here, you can add some beads or something, just whatever you think you might want to do. And so this is the back half of the first signature with those same papers, just the other side of them. Flip out there. Papers that I've picked up at thrift stores. This is the Campbell's planner or menu planner paper here. Here you can see it says Campbell's. And then the wallpaper with the pocket. And then the second signature, you can see this is ready to expand, right? You just put one thing on each page and it'll be twice as thick. But it's meant to hold a lot. This is some of my dyed composition book paper that I dyed myself. This is some very cool, first of all, the colors are pretty, and there's a little bit of nice, neat handwriting and numbers and a couple words here and there. Ledger paper, and it folds out there. You can always make the fold outs into a tuck spot, or even cut it off and use the paper somewhere else. This is that newsletter paper that I picked up at the thrift store. Pages from this book. I love the pages from these little Golden Book Encyclopedia. This is Braille paper with a little pocket here. This is brown paper packaging. This is a vintage McDonald's placemat right here. Very cool. Love the colors on those. Page from these books. And atlas paper, which folds out. In the middle of this signature with the strings. And this other side is a fold out too. Page from this book. This is a beautiful one with that orange and these pretty flowers. Love the colors and the words and how it has the 2 columns on these encyclopedia pages. A McDonald's, vintage McDonald's placemat. Pocket here in the Braille paper. Page from this book, the newsletter paper, and that really pretty ledger paper, my hand-dyed paper, and the wallpaper with the pocket. So yeah, that was just a quick flip through. Here's the back. Did I show it to you? I know I meant to. I don't know if I actually did, but you see how it's the same as all the pictures here are the same as the front. So yeah, this is going to go in my shop for someone. It's already spoken for, like I said. But let me show you the other one that I have in my shop that is available up for grabs if you want it for yourself or for a gift or whatever. It's this one right here. I'm going to try to find the link. I mean, it's on my channel. It'll say Golden Book Encyclopedia Glue Book / Junk Journal, something like that in the title. But I'm going to try to remember to link it below this so you can see, you know, this one is very similar. You know, like these are all original, not printed or digitals or anything in these, so it's all, you know, similar, but of course they're not the same because they're only one of a kind of each one, right? So anyway, this one is in there. This is another cool one. I've got this trim on this one, and this is the goodie pack that goes with this one. So I'm gonna leave this goodie pack as a surprise for the person that's getting this, but it is similar. Very, very similar. Not exactly the same, but very similar to this one that comes with this journal or glue book. So you'll be able to, on this one, this video that I'm going to link below, I did flip through this, so you'll be able to see the kinds of things I put in here for this one, and that's the kinds of things I have in these types of journals. So yeah, this one's up for grabs. It's, you know, I always price my journals reasonably, so check it out if you're interested, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. So have a great day, and I'll see you then.